In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to Slack, an essential skill for enhancing productivity and communication within your workspace. Having the right apps integrated with Slack can streamline your workflow, making collaboration much more effective. So let's get started with this simple step-by-step guide. First things first, you need to navigate to Slack. Open your internet browser and head to the Slack website, or you can access it through the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're logged in and looking at your Slack interface, you'll want to locate the sidebar on the left-hand side. It's here that you'll find a multitude of options, including your channels and direct messages. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of this sidebar. You should see an option labeled Add Apps. Click on it. This will open up the Slack app directory, which is a treasure trove of tools and features that you can integrate directly into your workspace. Whether you're looking for tools to help with project management, notifications, or communication enhancements, the Slack app directory has a wide selection to choose from. Now that you're in the app directory, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. This is where you'll type in the name of the app you wish to add to Slack. Perhaps you're interested in integrations like Google Drive, Zoom, or Trello. Simply type the name in and let Slack do the searching for you. As you begin typing, you'll notice that Slack will provide suggestions based on popular apps and your search history, which can often help you narrow down your choices more quickly. Once you've found the app you're looking for, it's time to install it. Click on the app and you'll be taken to a detailed page about it. Here, you can read more about what the app does, see screenshots, and check any additional requirements that might be necessary for integration. If you're satisfied with what you see, click the Install button. This process may require you to grant permissions. If so, follow any additional prompts to ensure the app is installed correctly. After installation, you'll have one more step. Click on Add to Slack. Doing this will finalize the process, importing the chosen app into your workspace, where you, along with your team members, can start taking full advantage of its capabilities. And there you have it. Adding apps to Slack is a simple yet powerful way to enrich your productivity toolkit. Remember, the right app can make all the difference in streamlining your daily tasks and staying connected with your team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your Slack experience even better. Don't forget to explore other features and stay tuned for more instructional videos.